Elephant toothpaste can be a mess to clean up.
Okay, good job, guys.
But the science behind it is worth it for the Monrovia High School Math and Science Academy, or MASA for short.
Being part of MASA, I feel like is a really good opportunity. I feel like I'm learning a lot more than I would if I wasn't a part of it. You know, really focusing on math and science, which is really important to me.
Do you guys think one will work better than the others?
MASA Mentors put together presentations for younger grade levels to help build interest in STEAM-related topics. The PowerPoint is used to teach younger students, but it also helps the high schoolers build confidence when presenting in front of others.
Most of us, don't do presentations every day because we're not teachers. So it was really important to us to go over the presentation and make sure we all knew what to say and what parts we were doing.
MASA advisor Kristin Ford has seen her students and own children on both sides of these presentations.
It makes me really proud to see them stand up there and be able to present on something. And to see the elementary school students engaged is pretty great too.
While these experiments can get messy, the MASA program continues to build interest in STEAM-based subjects. One demonstration at a time.